Okay, another fresh arrival here at Victory Honda of Plymouth. 2022 Honda CRV Hybrid Touring. Top of the line model. All the features, safety, performance. It's got all-wheel drive. This thing's got wireless phone charger. See the Touring badge in the back there. Chrome trim around the bottom with the Touring. Nice alloy wheels. This car is actually in Obsidian Blue Pearl. So it's in a really nice blue color. It has gray leather interior. You have a moonroof. The best of the best with fuel economy, all-wheel drive, Honda reliability and safety. Let me show you the inside here. Just took it in on trade. Customer bought it brand new, so it's a one owner. They picked up a new 2026 CRV hybrid today. Show you here the miles. Dash 55,490. There's the screen there, all your electronic shift buttons. Nice wood grain trim, interior's in real nice shape, moonroof, 2 keys. Honda certified, so it comes with a 182-point inspection. We check it over from top to bottom, front to back, side to side. Comes with a 7-year, 100,000-mile warranty. 2 years worth of maintenance. Come check it out today, Victory Honda of Plymouth. Thank you.